Automotive batteries. You might not give the one in your car much thought, but when you think about how much you depend on your car battery and how many times you start your car every year, giving it a little more thought is time well spent. Consider Powerframe patented grid technology. It's the technology on the inside of a battery that gives it strength, true strength. And the only place to find it is in the precision-stamped positive grid. That's because the positive grid provides the energy to start your car. It's a critical component of a battery, start after start. Now, whether you need to get to work, pick up the kids, make it to the airport in time for your flight, or just run some errands, you need a battery with the strength to perform. And if you want a strong battery, you need a battery that's made like this. It all starts with metal alloy. It's cast into a long strip and rolled to a specific thickness. It's all monitored by an automated control which can measure to 10,000ths of an inch. This strict tolerance ensures that each Powerframe stamped grid achieves a precise thickness for optimal strength, which means your battery will have the strength to start your car. Further adding to the strength of every Powerframe grid is our patented stamping technique. This precise process punches out the optimized pattern every time. It minimizes stress on the metal and gives every Powerframe stamped grid its uniform and ideal pattern, and consistency is the key to reliable performance. The design of every Powerframe stamped grid is optimized for a steady flow of electrons and battery performance. That means you can count on your battery every time you need it. The frame around the grid builds in structural integrity to prevent fractures caused by extreme temperature variations that weaken automotive batteries, which is why smarter engineering and manufacturing is so important. But it's not just smarter, it's greener. Compared to other grid manufacturing, the Powerframe stamped grid process uses 20% less energy, creates 20% less greenhouse gas emissions, and recycles excess metal, making the process virtually waste-free. It's intelligent and green, so you can see why the Powerframe label on the outside means you're getting true strength on the inside. Powerframe, true strength.